Hey guys, welcome back. Today right here I have the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So yeah, let's unbox this baby up. So right now we have just took the tape off, so we took the box off. As you see, there's a package right here. So let's take that out. And we can see the SIM slot remover to take out the thing from the phone. So let's see what's inside here. Right here we have a manual and how to work it. And we have a lot of other terms of condition and stuff. So let's move this all to the side and let's get to the phone. So right now we have the S20 Ultra here, 5G. So yeah, let's see if this sounds satisfying. Oh, so satisfying.
Let's see if this sounds satisfying. Oh, so satisfying.
We took the front cover off. I'm not gonna take this part off because I don't want to make it all dirty. So let's put the phone onto the side, and we have the Samsung thing that covers it. And since we got T-Mobile, we got a free SIM with it. And we have a USB-C charging jack, and this is just a box. So right here we have the USB-C to C charging cable, and right here we got the AKG headphones right here. So there's different kind of sizes we have. And we have, as you see, look at this. It's a nice pair of earbuds that we got. As the A71, we did not have one pair of earbuds. So now we have a USB-C earbuds, so we can plug it into the phone, S20 Ultra. So that's the end of the box. There's nothing else except for the covering and stuff.
So I'm back. That was just my cousin opening the box, and yeah, this is actually the S20 Ultra. You can see on the back it does have the 100 times zoom in. You can see the reflection on the back. You can see that there's 100 times zoom in. There's the 108 megapixel camera and two other cameras for wide angle and probably a depth sensor. So, and there's also a flashlight right there for your convenience. So on the side, of course, you can see that there's the volume up and the volume down. There's also the power button just under it. And on the bottom, we can see that there is the speakers with the USB Type-C with antennas for the dedicated 5G option. There is no antennas on the side. And finally on the top, there is the SD slot. So let's turn this on. So we can see the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, of course powered by Android. Of course the Samsung symbol. Oh yeah, look at this gigantic screen. It's actually a 6.9 QLED screen, and it also shoots in 4K. That's really high specs. And talking about the screen, this also has a 120 Hertz display. That means it's really smooth. Once you start using 120 Hertz display, you can't get back to like 60 Hertz that you find on a regular phone.
Stay tuned for another video about how it works and stuff. So that's the end of the unboxing. So see you guys later.